Hello.
Where are we?
Random place. Yeah,
Random.
that seems. Nature walk. I almost got lost twice, but that's okay. It's fine.
Okay, I'm going to be doing
Parkour?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Parkour.
With an iPad. Yay!
Parkour.
Oh, there's something there.
They fly so on show by camera that often.
Oh, you can see a bird. Oh, I didn't mean to fall.
And then there's like a small river over here. I tripped on camera. This is fine. I'm gonna try to go down.
Okay, see. I have my iPod in my pocket. Okay, I don't want to go.
Yeah. Oh no, it's muddy. I don't want to slip. So you think we should start heading back?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm walking out of the way there.
Yeah. Look,
Soon.
there's a bird at the pond.
He's saying something. Humping? What?
Humping? Okay, let's ignore that.
Oh wait, what does it say? Keep on going straight or something? I don't know.
Oh, keep on going safe.
Oh.
So, apparently you can keep on going safe, everybody.
Allie. There's just like all these plants and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
There's like birds and bugs.
Flowers.
And on my side there's like none. Wait, my son is like with a dog or something.
Oh.
Look at that bird. I'm a bird of the spring.
I don't know if I caught that bird at camera because I wasn't looking. I was wanting to pop it, but then it didn't happen.
Just be like, what if someone started following us? What would we do?
He's coming towards him and running for my life. I was okay. Like,
What if
I
he
whispered. Depends how back he is. If he's like really close, if he was like grab me, I would like kick him. Like, I'm not afraid to bite people. I don't care where the hands have been. I will bite if needed. I will bite people.
My boyfriend will bite you. He's my dog, so.
No, I will actually bite. Like, oh, why you bite me for? Like, you try to grab me.
And then you'd be like, doesn't mean you have to bite me.
Like, yes, it does. Stranger danger.
Uh-oh, I made it all right. And now I'll make it all dark. And then beauty.
For mine, it's
Just
like,
that one light there.
I cannot make it darker on mine, but looks fine. Looks good enough.
That's probably like a hobo thing.
Yeah, what color did you see on the dress?
I see black and blue.
Good. That's what I saw. Like, oh, it's a different angle. Change the angle. I'm like, no, still black and blue.
I seen like one time I seen gold and white. That's it.
I've never seen gold and white. I'm like, how?
And then I was like, what? No, it's black and blue. And then I looked up on the website, and there's a dress that's black and blue. It's the same. So obviously it's black and blue.
Some people's like, oh, on the camera it looks like it's white and gold. I'm like, no,
And some people,
black and blue.
Some people say that it's like it was like purple and like green.
Okay, they're messed up.
I know. I was like, what?
How did they get white from blue? I can kind of see how they got black from